All right, so today we have another from the UMX line of planes by E-flite. We absolutely love these planes. This is my first glider as well, so let's get into the box and let's see what this thing's all about. Alright, so here we have the UMX Radian, again by E-flite. We love these UMX planes just because they are so easy to fly. Out of the box, absolutely just a wonderful platform to get into the hobby with. And they're very, very affordable. In fact, this plane is only $89. So, great place to start. Hey, there we go. So, it's a one-cell plane, so it uses these tiny little batteries. Look at how small that is. Now in this case, this is a glider. So the goal is you're using that battery to gain some altitude, and then you're really soaring for the rest of your time, for your flight time. Now, typically speaking, let's go ahead and get this packaging tape off. Typically speaking, these UMX planes are transported in the boxes they came in, and that's actually one of the really nice features. Is these planes tend to be a little delicate, so being able to take and have something safe to put them in is really nice. This plane, however, I believe does not transport in its box because we actually have to screw the main wing on. Oh man, what a delicate, beautiful little fuselage. Check that out. That is awesome. Nice long control rods. Wow, gorgeous little plane. Little protective film there to keep our canopy looking nice. Another feature that this plane has is the prop folds to help with aerodynamics, keeping that soaring time, that gliding time up there. So, yeah, this wing is gigantic, and if this screws on, and it looks like it does, screws into the fuselage, then we're probably not transporting this plane in the box just simply because the dimensions don't work. But carbon fiber spar running in the wing. Look at the swoop that has. Wow, just a gorgeous plane. So that means this is a 3-channel plane. We don't have ailerons, so that's an interesting piece. Let's see what else we've got in the box here. Looks like, sure enough, 2 little screws and some pieces of tape. We'll have to see what those are about. We've got our battery again, and it comes with a little USB charger. Oh, very nice. Again, $89. My gosh, what a price. And I'm not seeing any instructions here. Oh, here we go. Looks like we've got a couple little packets taped to the bottom. So this is again a bind and fly model as well, which means the radio is already installed. We literally bind our radio to the airplane and off we go. Spektrum compatible, of course, in this case, being an E-flite plane. All right, let's go ahead and we'll move this off to the side. Now, I don't know that we need to go to a time lapse here. Let's just take a quick look at the instructions. It can't be that hard to put together. There we go. Dive into the bag. As with all the E-flite planes, fantastic manual right off the bat. Thorough, informative, multilingual, actual English translations. Kind of nice. Oh, here we go. Yeah, sure enough. Looks like this is a very easy install. All we do is we take, boy, this is such a small little bird. All right, so here's our power lead, and hiding under it are 2 screw holes. And what we're going to do is simply slide our wing through the fuselage and line up those holes and put our 2 screws in, and then we're done. Looks like the battery has a little bit of hook and loop tape. Yep, sure does. So we've got that to secure the battery into the bottom of the plane, because quite literally it is just wide open on the bottom. There's no doors, there's nothing to hold it in. Well, let's go ahead and put this thing together, and yeah, we'll kind of see what our first impressions are. Well, there we have it. It couldn't have been a more easy assembly. 2 screws, a couple pieces of adhesive hook and loop, the loop side tape. Really, that's it. Bound it to my radio. It's done. She wants to fly. Let's go ahead and I'm curious, I haven't done it yet. Let's do a thrust check. Let's see what this little motor has. And you can hear the AS3X getting involved here, trying to stabilize the airplane. Now, this model doesn't have safe, so I'm a little surprised it says talkie, but well, let's give it a whirl here. You know, if I let go, yeah, that would take right off out of my hand. Small little plane, really lightweight, but my gosh, what a gorgeous little bird. Yeah, again, $89. If you're looking to get into the hobby with something that's going to be really easy to handle, if you're just starting to want to play with the sailplanes and gliders, or even if you just want this beautiful bird because honestly it's really nice, this is a great plane to have. The funny thing is, I wouldn't have picked it out myself. I'll go out, I'll shop on all the websites, I'll pick planes out based on what I want. I'm really grateful that I got this, so a big shout out to my brother Casey. Thank you. Awesome little plane. I'm actually really excited to get this out and fly it. We'll be doing the maiden flight here real soon. We're actually still right locked in the dead cold of winter here, but there might not be any thermals to catch, but we'll give it our best and we'll see how this does. So until next time, that's the Radian UMX. Keep flying. So as you can see, there's a fair degree of commitment that we at Angry Zeppelin have for you, our viewers.
It's so true. All of this comes out of our own pockets, so please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below what else you'd like to see here on Angry Zeppelin.
Until next time, keep flying!